What's up, sneakerheads? It's your boy Sean P. Kicks, and I am the sneaker teacher. And today's sneaker objective is to unbox some Grails.
Oh, I can get some praise in my chase. I can get them going in my coat. It doesn't even matter. I can give them praise.
Now today's unboxing is a very, very special pair of kicks for me personally because one, I am a huge fan of the Lebron 9. When I saw these debut in that pack, especially with the Kobe's and the foam posits and the Lebron 9, I just fell in love with the whole set, and unfortunately I was not able to get a pair. So I've been on the prowl for these Big Bang 9s for like almost 10 years now. Maybe one day when I'm rolling in dough, I'll be able to spend 500 bucks on a pair of kicks, but that just wasn't my reality. But I was able to find this guy on eBay that was selling a pair of DS Lebron 9 Big Bangs for retail. He's an overseas guy and was just unloading some from his closet. And I truly believe that it was the Lord just opening up this opportunity for me and making sure that I was able to get a pair of kicks that I've always wanted. So live and direct, you guys are gonna be able to get a chance to see a pair of my Grails, which is the Lebron 9s. I love orange, I love bright sneakers, and this is just up my alleyway. So many people I've seen with them on, and I've always just gotten instantly jealous. And maybe later on I'll show you guys some of my Lebron 9s that I have, but I've always loved this colorway. I've always loved this silhouette, and finally, they are in my hands for me to possess. So without further ado, let's get into it. Got my handy dandy scissors, and I'm really praying that these are not fake. And however this video goes, it's just how it goes. But I wanted to share with you guys this and let you guys be the first ones to see my unboxing. I did talk with the seller, and it's not the actual box that the shoes came in. But I don't care because I'm just gonna put it in a replacement box anyway. But I definitely just wanted to get my hands on these shoes. So let's get into it. I'm getting a little nervous because these are in a, this is a Guess shoes box. So I lied to you not, this is my first time opening them. I hope I didn't get catfished. I hope I didn't get finessed out of my bread because it's gonna be really hard to get my money back from someone overseas. But nevertheless, let's open them up. I'm gonna let you guys see them first because I'm too nervous to see. I'm too nervous. All right, I see that there is some, he's got them wrapped up in something, some bubble wrap, so I don't want to see. I still don't want to see. Shout out to them for taking really good care of the shoes. They feel like 9s. Man, let me just. Woo! As my man Martin would say, whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, Tina! Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my God! I cannot believe that they're finally here. DS, no wear or tear or no nothing. I think I'm gonna cry, y'all. I think I'm going to legit cry. Because y'all just don't know how badly I've been wanting these shoes. And they're finally mine. They're finally mine. Oh, it's got the pull tabs in the back. It's got the Galaxy insoles. Laces, great condition. Well, they're new. Always gotta check to make sure. And these check out for me. These check out for me. I'm really happy about these. As always, I'm gonna try these on for you guys just so that you can see how they look on feet. But man, I cannot wait to start rocking these.
6.5 hours later.
What's going on, students? After further assessment, these are fake. The material, after looking at it closer, is trash. It's like plastic. These pull tabs are really flimsy, and this one is even kind of like tattered. You can see that there. If you look at the toe box, it's kind of like scuffed up, and it just doesn't have that like high quality Nike material. Like LeBron James would never play ball in these. My excitement just got the best of me. You can look inside the shoe. See, this cushioning is just trash. They look good, but on the outside, but after further inspection, like these are supposed to be darker. The colors are really faded. The glow is supposed to be green on the bottom, the whole bottom of the shoe. And this is my fault because I didn't do my due diligence in researching the shoe. I mean, I've seen the shoe a million times, but I think I just got like so in love with the price that I dropped the ball. It's my fault.
I'm a clown. Welcome to Clown Town.
Hopefully, eBay will give me a refund. But like these pull tabs is supposed to be like a whole nother type of technology, and it's not. The fly wire, these lines right here is not actual fly wire. It's just lines in the shoes, and you can really tell. The outside is what kind of did it for me, and the way that he made the pictures look, made this cushion part right here on the outside more embellished than it was, or than it is. So I got finessed. There's supposed to be some separation between this swoosh and this, and even the swoosh is not reflective material.
Really?
Well, kids, we did not meet our objective today. Our objective was to unbox some authentic LeBron 9 Big Bangs, and I thought that I was going to have a pair of my Grails shoes, but I got finessed, and that is what happens from time to time. And I can't even put these things on my feet because they're supposed to be a size 10, but they're more like a 9, and I can't even fit my foot in it. So I'm disappointed and hurt, man, because I was ready to flex. But there will be no flexing today. It's just L's. But let this be a lesson to you all. If it seems too good to be true, in the sneaker world, it most definitely 99% of the time is. And it's that 1% chance that it's a real good thing is what makes us just pursue deals like these. And we end up getting finessed. Everything about the shoe is just off. Even the bubbles, there's not even enough bubbles on the bottom. So I am a sad camper today, but it is what it is, man. It's a part of the game. And the more I look at this shoe, the more like hilariously infuriating I become. So I want to continue to do business with eBay, but if they're going to be allowing crap like this to happen, then we can't do business. is what it is. So, see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you think. Don't laugh at me. Don't clown me too hard. But until then, live, let love. Peace.